Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin, D Shandepli Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. Today, I am unboxing my Yes, Oh Yes box for August 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about Yes, Oh Yes. Let's get started. Now, I'm having some technical difficulties when it comes to filming. Maybe that's a sign telling me not to film today. Because this is my second time filming this. The first time I was at the very end and the video just cut out. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what happens, you guys. Alright, so my Yes Oh Yes, the theme this month is Cali Love. And I love California, you guys know. And I love this card. This is amazingly awesome. On the back, it tells you everything that's inside this month's box and how much it is. I'll be referring to this card. Let's get started. By the way, I opened up everything. I know it's in it already because I filmed this already and it cut out. I don't know what's going on, but I digress. LAQA and Company. This is the Cloud Lip in the color Cherub. This is cruelty free as well and not tested on animals. This is what the lipstick looks like. Does not smell like anything. Let me twist this up a bit for you. It is like a pinky coral color. Very, very pretty. And that's what it looks like there. You guys know I don't swatch anything because number one, I'm not good at swatches. Whoops. And then number two, the lighting is just horrible. So I don't swatch. Next thing I have here is from Masquerade. This sheet mask right here, the pre-party prep sheet mask. And I've tried this company's sheet mask before and I do like them, so I'm happy to get this. You guys know I love sheet masks. I incorporate them in my skincare routine often, all the time. From Sourmet, I got these right here. These are the blotting sheets. And I like these too because these are travel friendly. They're small enough to fit in your makeup bag and you get 100 sheets in here. This is amazingly awesome. By the way, this is worth $12. The sheet mask is worth $12. And the Cloud Lip right here is worth $20. And then I also got in here this crown brush. This is a contour brush. And it looks like that. All of my crown brushes that I've received are white. This is my first time receiving one that's black, I believe. It has the divot here so you can, and the divot back here so you can hold on to it. And it has a, it's black on the tip of the brush here, and it's white here on the rest of the bristle, so it's ombre. And it's got crown brush right there. So I'm happy to get this brush. You can never have too many makeup brushes. And last but not least, I got from Beauty Creations the Cali Set Palette, and it's also cruelty free. I've received a different palette from Beauty Creations before and I love it. So this just slides out like this. I love the packaging of this. You guys know I love California and palm trees and sunsets and things. Absolutely gorgeous. This palette comes with a beautiful mirror. There's 9 colors in here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Nice big mirror that I'm not going to blind you with, but that's what the colors look like. As you can see, they're all named after places in California, like Hollywood and downtown LA and Valley Girl and Calabasas. Love it, love it, love it. And that is everything, my friends, in my Yes Oh Yes box for August 2018. And by the way, this is worth $28. Let's go ahead and recap. So I got the Beauty Creations Cali Set Palette. I'm trying to go fast before my camera goes out. And it's plugged in. My camera's plugged in, so I don't know why it keeps going out. It's just weird. Anyway, I digress. Crown brush, the contour brush that I'm happy to get. The Sourmet Blot Papers. The Cloud Lip by LAQA and Company, LAQA and Company. And last but not least, the Masquerade sheet mask. Alright, my friends, that's everything in my Yes Oh Yes box. If you get Yes Oh Yes, let me know what you think. If you have tried these products before, let me know what you think. Alright friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm close to getting 1,000 subscribers. When I get there will be a giveaway. I will let you know what that giveaway is when I reach that threshold. But I need your help, alright? Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
넌 나고